everybody, breaking news from the Walt Disney Company. CEO Bob Chapek has been terminated, and his replacement will be the former CEO, Bob Iger, effective immediately. This press release was released around 10 p.m. Eastern last night. It was on a Sunday night. They issued a statement regarding the change in leadership that reads this. The Walt Disney Company announced today that Robert A. Iger is returning to lead Disney as the CEO, effective immediately. Mr. Iger, who spent more than 4 decades at the company, including 15 years as its CEO, has agreed to serve as Disney CEO for 2 years with a mandate from the board to set the strategic direction for renewed growth and to work closely with the board in developing a successor to lead the company at the completion of his term. Mr. Iger succeeds Bob Chapek, who has stepped down from his position. So basically what this press release is saying is that Bob Iger is going to come in for 2 years to lead the company, and during those 2 years, during his tenure, he's going to be working on developing a successor to take over his position when he leaves the company. Also, during his time, he's going to be working on growing the company and hopefully increasing the profits greater than what they had seen at the last quarter. So anyway, the release goes on to say that we thank Bob Chapek for his service to Disney over his long career, including navigating the company through the unprecedented challenges of the pandemic. Mr. Iger has the deep respect of Disney senior leadership team, most of whom he worked closely with until his departure as executive chairman 11 months ago, and he is greatly admired by Disney employees worldwide, all of which will allow for a seamless transition of leadership. Mr. Iger has also released a statement in this press release. He says, I am extremely optimistic for the future of this great company and thrilled to be asked by the board to return as its CEO. Disney and its incomparable brands and franchises hold a special place in the hearts of so many people around the globe, most especially in the hearts of our employees, whose dedication to this company and its mission is an inspiration. I am deeply honored to be asked to again lead this remarkable team with a clear mission focused on creative excellence to inspire generations through unrivaled, bold storytelling. So, what does all of this mean for the Disney parks? While I don't think we will see any immediate changes, I do think that there will be some in the future. Under Chapek's tenure, many guests were not happy with how the parks were being ran. The satisfaction was so low. There were so many policies in place that were just unpopular with the fans. The park pass reservations came out under Chapek, the lightning lanes, the Genie Plus, the pause on annual pass sales. So many things happened that I know a lot of it had to do with the pandemic, but it happened under Chapek's leadership, which kind of left a bad name for him. So I think people are unhappy, and I think Iger is going to want to rebuild some of that trust. It would be nice to see the park passes go away. It would be nice to see annual pass sales resume. I don't think that they'll reverse Genie Plus or Lightning Lane. I think they're making a lot of profit off of that, and I don't think they would want to lose all that revenue. But some changes would be great. I await to hear more regarding Iger's leadership and what changes it may bring, hopefully positive ones. So what are your thoughts on the new changes in leadership at Disney? How do you think it will affect the parks? Please let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a magical day.